This is our Dubai series with the 24 gold diamond, 24 gold, and the silver. And also the 24K crystal. The first one is the oily screen, and this one is just for bottoms. $24 gold, silver. And next we can see the functions of the Dubai series knob. You can set different kinds of the lighting mode. This is the reception mode, the on-off mode. For example, you can process. Then all the lighting is turned off. So now we can use another mode. You can also change the brightness. You can see the lighting is changing. Also, you can on off.